I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for KCET. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus and exam pattern. Identify high-weightage topics to prioritize your efforts effectively. Focus on building a strong foundation in basic concepts before moving to advanced ones. Regular practice is key to mastering problem-solving skills and improving both speed and accuracy for the exam. For organic chemistry, dedicate time to understanding reaction mechanisms rather than just memorizing. In physical chemistry, ensure you grasp the derivations and applications of all key formulas. Inorganic chemistry often requires memorization, so create effective techniques for recalling facts. Pay special attention to periodic table trends and chemical bonding principles, as these are foundational. Develop your own concise notes for quick revision, highlighting important formulas and reactions. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing definitions, names, and specific facts. Regularly attempt full-length mock tests, simulating exam conditions to build stamina and time management skills. After each test, thoroughly analyze your incorrect answers to understand your weaknesses and prevent repeating errors. In the final days, focus on revising all key concepts and formulas without learning new material. Maintain a positive and calm mindset to reduce exam anxiety. During the actual exam, manage your time wisely, perhaps allocating about 1 minute per question. Avoid last-minute cramming. Instead, ensure you get adequate rest to perform at your best on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.